KISW The Rock of Seattle. This is coming to Firefest Arena for the End of the World. The End of the Road World Tour, that's it. End of the World Road Tour, that's it. This is it. They're saying this is your final tour, and we've got your tickets. That's right. To win 4 tickets, you get a chance to you've only got to do is just log in, and whether it be on the Odyssey app, at AUDACY Odyssey app, or go to KISW.com.
Or you listen online, or through the app. More chances you get a winning. Each hour is an entry to win tickets.
Now, if you want to buy tickets, sure, they're on sale right now, but you can win these tickets.
Maybe, I tell you. Oh, it is.
So maybe you can listen. You know where to go. Listen to us on the Odyssey app or at KISW.com. Let's play MIGS.
Excited for the weekend. I just want the weekend to be here. I love Friday day. Like,
yeah, no, I'm not going to argue with you. I mean, I kind of joined in.
I do.
No, I can't do it. But the best festival.
Well, I hope you are here when we actually get the parade again. All right, let's get out of here. Right. So those questions, that's all you want to do. You only get 3 guesses per question. Are you ready?
Let's do it.
What connects the muscles to the bones?
Tendon.
Correct. What scientist came up with the 3 laws of motion? Yes. In NBA history, which team has the longest winning streak?
Lakers.
Correct. The flag of Switzerland has what colored cross on it?
Blue.
No.
Red.
No.
Yellow.
No. What planet is closest to the sun?
Mercury.
Correct. What is the name of a group of stars that form a pattern or a picture?
Constellation.
Correct. According to Google, what is the world record for the number of hot dogs eaten in one sitting?
Pass.
What kind of animal is Shere Khan in the Jungle Book?
He's a lion.
Nope.
Tiger.
Yes. Who played the title character in the 2018 movie The Grinch?
Jim Carrey.
No.
2018. Perhaps.
What 2 countries share the longest border?
China and Russia.
No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, correct.
Ooh, not bad.
Not at all.
I mean, the questions are semi-okay. That's all I'm going to say. You know, I did well enough with them.
You're going to complain about something.
No, not at all. Well, how many of those did you write?
None.
That's why they're good.
Oh, you said they were okay. Now they're good. Okay.
Yeah, it's a great question. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. I was thinking.
All right, Steve. Are you ready?
All right.
What connects the muscles to the bone? Correct. With the 3 laws of motion.
Newton.
Correct. In NBA history, which team has the longest winning streak?
The Boston Celtics.
No.
The Los Angeles Lakers.
Correct. The flag of Switzerland has what color cross on it?
Red.
No.
White.
Yes.
Nice.
What planet is closest to the sun?
That would be Uranus.
No, it's not.
Venus.
No.
Jupiter.
No! No! What is the name of a group of stars that form a pattern or a
Constellation.
Correct. According to Google, what is the world's record for the number of hot dogs eaten in one sitting?
I'm going to go with 500.
No.
100? 69.
No. Kong in the Jungle Book. One, two, three, four, 5, correct? It's the 5, that's a law!
King Louis was you're undoing, my friend. We're thinking similarly. Yeah. Nice work. So good.
Ian had the green arrow that he had to write about it.
There we go. I got to see something. Yeah, and this is for because when you asked last week, I think it was, what was the hottest planet, you said Mercury and it was Venus, and then when she asked you what's the closest planet, you said Venus and not Mercury.
I'm just saying planet, man. There's no rhyme or reason to what I'm
saying. It is funny, though, that you really were in the right neighborhood for both of those questions, just the wrong planet there.
One of these days.
One of these days.
I'm going to spend a weekend just watching YouTube videos on planets, and I'm going to come back a new feed.
Yeah,
I don't know when that day would be then.
It's been a couple of years when Tatum has to learn it in school.
Good point.
Oh, yeah. I thought the planets was just like our timetables, like they burn it into your brain, but maybe not so much anymore.
It's just like a timetable. I've eventually burned them out of my brain.
Hell yeah. Not me, buddy. I still know, man, but I was a sci-fi
brain, man. Those are where those holes are now. Planet timetable.
Yeah. All right, well, that's not bad. That's where your holes are.
According to Google, what is the world record for the number of hot dogs eaten in one sitting?
I wasn't looking at Google, so I don't know.
No, 76. If you're into hot dog eating contests, I guess you'd know.
76. I don't know how I could have Ken Jennings that. We need to have a conversation, Vicky, on how to Ken Jennings some of these questions, because who would know that?
Can you guys do that off air?
Yeah, no. I'm not even going to be a part of
not
that.
today. Well, yeah, I mean, we're not going to have it today.
Oh, I don't care when you do it, as long as it's not on the air. Because that means I won't be here for that.
Yeah, I'm not. You can have a conversation. I won't be here either.
Yeah. Oh, that's great. Well, Steve won't be there because he doesn't believe in the Ken Jennings method. He says he's a non-believer.
No, there's only one method, and that's the MIGS method.
Oh, that is just too lucky.
Yes.
Sam did get correct. Shere Kong was a tiger.
Yeah.
Okay, are you saying Khan or Kong?
Yeah.
Kong.
Shere Kong.
The listeners are with me like, dude, Vicky screwed Steve. I heard Kong, not Kong.
Yeah, like he would know like the difference in the
But you said Kong, I think King Kong, and then I went down the monkey road.
Sure.
You know, even I can't get behind John this one, Steve, and I want to, because, you know, I like to be bothered with you, but even I can't.
In order for me to properly make these questions, I need to hear the questions properly.
Yeah.
Which is just guessing.
Yes. But by saying Kong, I go down a weird road.
I wonder why you
road.
I was wondering why you were going monkey time.
There's Monkey City, yeah.
I don't care about all the monkeys in the city. You said Kong, I think monkeys and gorillas and apes.
All right, team, you didn't get to, and you didn't get correct on either of you. Who played the title character in the 2018 movie The Grinch?
Jim Carrey.
No, 2018.
Benedict Cumberbatch.
Jim Carrey. Oh, I forgot he did that one. I don't think I've seen that version.
You know what? It's funny because Lily really liked that version, and so we watched that one more than we watched the Grinch version. I mean, the Jim Carrey version.
I've never seen the Benedict one.
You would like Tatum would love that one.
Really?
Really?
It's
better than Jim Carrey?
No, but kids love it because he's like a cartoon again. He's nicer than Jim Carrey, where Jim Carrey's kind of scary.
So it's a cartoon?
Oh.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, you're right. So that is it a cartoon where Benedict Cumberbatch plays the toys that are featured in a cartoon?
No.
That you might not like.
That's fair.
Oh, he's not unboxing anything? All right.
Does anybody know what two countries share the longest border?
Germany. And China.
Nope.
The longest border. Oh, man. Is it Russia and somebody?
No, but we're pretty darn close to it.
Oh, it's Canada and the U.S.? We do? Yeah. Oh, I didn't know. Good for us here in America. We win that one.
It was unbelievable line. Not real line.
Woo! Well, you know what? And frankly, I mean, you know, we're pretty much getting along with Canada, too. When you think about it, you don't have to worry about that border. You don't have to build a wall up there, Danny. Well, I mean, you don't have to build a wall down the end of that, but well, congratulations, Steve. You're lost. Thanks. No problem, buddy. So there's a poll where they ask people, okay, you like free stuff, but is there free stuff you don't like? And there are people like, yeah, you know what? There's certain flags that companies give out that we really, really want. And some flags, no, don't even bother giving it to us.
There are times when I'm somewhere and I'm like, you guys spend money to pay for this? Like, that seems like a very weird thing.
Yeah, drink koozies for me. Anytime that, like,
People love them.
I don't like them that much. Like, they always get lost, and then I never can find them when I actually need them, and I'm like, I had too many of these.
I feel like drink koozie connoisseur, like always have a koozie and they have one for every occasion.
And they carry them with them.
Yes!
Well, I'll tell you this, Danny is like everybody else. It's at the bottom of the list. People do not like to drink koozies that much.
Okay, mine, maybe because I'm just such a t-shirt snob. I like comfortable t-shirts, but like the old, like just like bad fabric, and also just a dumb logo t-shirt. Like you're getting a free t-shirt, which is cool. So you're like, I'm never gonna wear this.
Like really stiff and not soft at all. Mm-hmm.
You are,
Oh, I guess straight to the garbage or Goodwill.
oh, all right. You guys, that is the number one thing people love. They actually love the t-shirt.
See, I think it has to be the type where good hands for the t-shirt.
Yeah, apparently not to them it doesn't.
It's a little awkward though when you do find a really great promo shirt and it's a brand either that doesn't relate to you or you don't really know anything about. Some thick dog. Typically the awkward people want to ask you.
I don't know what I'm wearing.
I had a friend when I was younger, like a ringer t-shirt that was super comfortable. And the friend said, you're gonna love it. And I was like, what? It was like for like kind of like I think alcohol. It was an alcohol in the back. I can't remember what kind of alcohol. They were like kind of a catchphrase for them like 20-something years ago. So it's just like very impressive. You're gonna love it. But I would wear that shirt all the time, and it would always get weird looks. So that I forgot that it was on me. So I was like, oh, it's a comfortable shirt. I'm gonna go to the store wearing it. And then people would kind of look at my chest like, what am I gonna love? What is it?
Yeah, it's pretty bad when they like the message is on the back. And so we're like, we don't even know what this means. You're just a weirdo. Number 2 is a classic on the list, and maybe we should think about continuing to give these away. People love pens. Pens? Did you say kitchens?
No, keychain.
Oh, I was just saying like, there's a free kitchen.
That would be awesome too.
Yeah, keychains. You know what? I'm looking on the list here. I don't see keychains whether people love them or hate them.
Unless the keychain doubles as a bottle opener.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't really care for a keychain.
Oh, see, I never had a keychain. So whenever I had like someone give me a keychain, I'm like, oh, cool. I think I'll use it. I used the deeper keychain I had forever. So I when it's on the car, I forgot to pick up the key ring.
Coffee mugs. I always did that. Water bottles are pretty good too. Yeah. Oh, look at you. Yeah. Very, very jealous.
When it comes to drinking apparatuses, coffee mugs, water bottles, but I am so sick of shot glasses. Because I feel like anytime anyone goes on vacation, you always bring a shot glass, and you have 20 shot glasses since the time you were like 19. And how often are you taking shots at home?
Many times.
Okay, well, not including Danny or Sarah.
Now we know who to buy shot glasses for.
Oh, yeah. I collect all of those. I love when people bring them on the opposite side of the key. I like have one from every state before they actually.
But see, Danny, you like to drink them.
I do. So I feel like that's like the one type of like kitchen where like, you know, like something like plates and cups. Like for the most part, everything matches in our house. All the same like everything I would like glassware. But then when it comes to shot glasses, there's no set standard. Like you know, don't buy like a nice like, you know, 12 packs of shot glasses. Whatever you got for free becomes
JVE 8309.
either for free or the ones that are just ridiculous. Like I think Sarah got me one from New Orleans and it just has a very crusty airflow. Oh yeah, man. I'm like, this is the best shot glass I've ever got. My entire life.
Yeah, that's usually it. I mean, if you're like, you go to Spencer's or whatever, that's where Sarah does all of her Christmas shopping for her friends. Spencer's and gets the most inappropriate shot glass.
My favorite shot glass is like the little boot, so like the stupid boot kind of like, you know, $10. I mean, yeah, beer fun. Oh, nice. It's like a little mini version. I think that's awesome.